I don't see the juicy juggles. They're called breaths and everybody has them. This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fun. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine an original recipe slider served with chicken breast meat, coated in a secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices, served in a warm tortilla with crisp lettuce and supercharged saucy stuff. So that must be a picking chook splooge on some toddies. Rev that supercharger on the original recipe tender, just put the flavour on 11. Still for $2.95, it's definitely worth a fingering. Speaking of fingering buttons, don't forget to finger mine, and me dogger too. Not with the same hand of course, unless you're a spazzy. Buy some merch from the description panel below. You don't need to buy it, but you know you want it. Cut and ball, vinegar chicken stock cube, you know how it goes. Beat up an egg in a bowl and drown those wobbly jugglies. Flour, salt, iodized table salt, thyme, mustard powder, basil, paprika, oregano, white pepper, black pepper, ginger. Give it a mix. Celery salt, chuck it all in there, put the top on, shut. Wok, oil, fill it, you know how it goes, 180 degrees. The supercharged sauce mix, whole egg mayo, tomato sauce, sweet chili, sriracha, oregano, Mexican chili powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, turmeric and curry chowder. Place the tortilla, plate, supercharged sauce, lettuce and tender. Came in all over the plate and cost $2.20. Now that's supercharged and tasty and delicious. It'll blow your head off. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.